Hi, welcome to Maptive. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about the search bar. You'll find the search button over on the right-hand side of your map. Clicking it opens the search bar. Now you can search your data only, Google location matches only, or search your data and Google location matches. You've also got settings here to the right of your search bar. In here, the options only show search matches on my map. This will hide any non-matching markers, or highlight matching markers but continue to show all markers on the map. You can check this box to zoom in on the map to search matches. Now this will happen if it finds one location or they're very close together, but if they're all over the map, you won't zoom very far. Or only match on exact word matches, partial word matches ignored. So if you're looking for something with a short name, but it can be part of a longer name, this is a good option. Remember, when you're using the program, you can turn things off and change these settings at any time based on what suits your needs best. So highlight matching markers, for instance, if I do that, we're going to come here, and then if I search for New York, for instance, and all I'm going to do is hit that enter button, we see that I'm zoomed out here still, and it's showing me where New York is. If I check this box and I clear my last search and I do the same thing, and I just hit enter, it will now zoom me in to see New York. To close the search bar, just simply click the X and you can delete from here or delete individual searches using the X. That's it on the search bar. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Thanks for watching. Bye.